If you're solo, it's a personal question. It's your personal preference. For me, I've worked in portals where it's very easy. They have built-in PDF viewers. Talking about TaxDome, you pretty much got a PDF editor. It's not quite as powerful as something like Adobe Acrobat, but it's probably 90% there as far as what you can do. You can leave little notes to yourself. You can highlight things. You can scribble notes on them. A lot of different things like that. And so if I'm working with a preparer and there's something in that form that I need to point out that they missed or that they put it in the wrong place on the return or something, then I can make a note in the return, but I can also go back in that form and leave a little note for them and highlight the number and say, look, this is the amount you missed, or this is the amount that you put in the wrong place in the return, or something like that. So it makes it easy to do that. Or if you're getting those documents a different way and you don't have something like that built into your portal, maybe download it, put it into some sort of document management or file management system, and then you've got it there. Another option is using some sort of automated service. Gruntworks is an example that I worked with a firm that used Gruntworks, and Gruntworks will essentially take all of those files. It will identify what the different kinds of documents are. It'll reorder them and then put them all into one single PDF file that has a table of contents. And so you can go through and you can order that however you want. You can see all the W-2s. You can see all the 1099s. You can see, all of the other documents listed there, and then you can prep from that. So again, it's just sort of all personal preference and the degree to which you want to use technology to manage and help you with that.
Kind of quiet, huh?
I'm sorry?
It's kind of quiet.
Yeah, it's very quiet. I'm seeing some comments coming in here though. Okay, so Tiffany says for clients who upload docs into our secure portal, it helps them to scan one doc at a time to show the docs. Then when I start to work on their tax returns, I use a program that's like Adobe Acrobat to add all the docs in one file. Sometimes sort the docs my preference. Yeah, that's pretty common. I see that a lot. You want one PDF that you can go back to for all those source documents, and then go through there.
Hey,
Okay.
this is Linda.
Mhm.
And I've got a small practice. I don't have, hundreds of clients. I have right now maybe 45 or 50 clients. So it's not like I'm managing, huge amounts of clients. I have my website has a secure portal on it. I have my clients upload their docs to there. I take those as they come in. I review them. I also have my quote working files are kept on Dropbox, which backs up automatically every night, and it's secure and all of that good stuff. And they're not held on my desktop. I have them so that it's held on. I can access it from my desktop, but it's held only in the cloud. But then I transfer everything up to there. And yes, I'm old fashioned because I'm an old lady. I do print out my documents and I plop them into their folder until I make sure I've got everything into their manila folder. And I do then, I go through it and review it, make sure I've got everything, compare it to last year's. But that's, then I know my stuff is secure. I know it's stored on the cloud. It's backed up every night. And I can access it either from my laptop, which is where my software is, or if I need to get it, from manipulating the documents, sometimes it's easier on the desktop because I have a bigger screen that I can